dear children, today we will do exercise 5.5 and in this exercise we will be continuing with the division by one digit number. So let's get started. Now here I have written the sums. So the question is divide and find the quotient, and the first sum is 616 divided by 7. So this first number 616 will be our dividend and the second number, that is 7, will be our divisor. Now here the difference between the previous exercise and this exercise is that in this exercise the very first digit, which is on the leftmost side of the dividend, is less than the divisor, and in the previous exercise it was equal to or greater than the divisor. Now when it is less than the divisor, we need to take up two digits together. Fine. So we have to take 61 and we need to divide it by 7. So let us go through the table of 7. Now 7 8s are 56, 7 9s are 63. So 63 is greater than 61, so we will take 7 8s are 56. Now we will subtract. 11 minus 6, 5, and 5 minus 5, 0. You need to borrow as you do the subtraction sums, okay? Now after getting remainder, the next digit will come here. So again 7 8s are 56. 56 minus 56, it's 0. So here the quotient is 88. Now let us take up the second sum, 201 divided by 3. Now let us divide. Here 201 will be the dividend and 3 will be the divisor. Now our divisor is of single digit. So here the first digit is less than the divisor. So we need to take up 2. So 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are 21. We need to go up to the number which will be greater than the divisor. Then only we can come to know whether we are taking the correct number or not. So here we will take 3 6s are 18. Now let us subtract. 10 minus 8, 2, 1 minus 1, 0. So this next digit will come here. Now we have 3 7s are 21, and here 21 minus 21 is 0. So our quotient is 67. So this is how you can divide the sums, wherein the very first digit, which is on the leftmost side of the dividend, will be less than the divisor. Now the next sum is sum number 3, 348 divided by 4. So here 348 will be the dividend and 4 will be the divisor. And here the very first digit on the leftmost side of the dividend is less than the divisor, so we need to take up 2. Now we know 4 8s are 32 and 4 9s are 36. It is greater, so we have to take this. That is 4 8s are 32. Now let us subtract. 4 minus 2, 2. 3 minus 3 is 0. So this next digit will come here. Now we know 4 7s are 28 and 28 minus 28 is 0. So here our quotient will be 87. Now the next sum is 516 divided by 16. So 516 will be the dividend and 6 will be the divisor. Now in dividend, the very first digit on the left side is less than the divisor, so we need to take up 2. Now we know 6 8s are 48 and 6 9s are 54, because we have to take the number which is nearest to it. So it is 48. 6 8s are 48. Now let us subtract. 11 minus 8, 3. 4 minus 4, 0. Now this 6 will come here, and we know that 6 6s are 36. Now 36 minus 36, answer is 0. So here our quotient is 86. This is the quotient. Now our next sum is sum number 5. Let us take here 608 divided by 8. Now 608 is the dividend and this 8 is the divisor. Now here the first digit, which is on the left side of dividend, it is less than the divisor. So we need to take 2. This is how you also have to think. So now let us go through the table of 9. 8 7s are 56 and 8 8s are 64. So this is greater than 60. So we will take this. That is 8 7s are 56. Now let us subtract. 10 minus 6, 4. Now you know that how to subtract 60 and 56. You can subtract like this. this will borrow from here, it will become 5, it will become 10. 10 minus 6, 4, 5 minus 5, 0. This is how I'm subtracting here. So here I'll have 4. Now this 8 will come here. So here I have 8 6s are 48. Now 48 minus 48, the answer is 0. Now here the quotient is 76. Now let's do the next one. 711 divided by 9. So let us write it like this. Now here the first digit of dividend on the left side is less than the divisor. So we will take 2 digits. Now we know that 9 sevens are 63 and 9 eights are 72. 72 is greater, so we will take this. Okay, 9 sevens are 63. Now 11 minus 3, 8. 6 minus 6, 0. Subtraction I told you, you can do like this. Okay, now this 1 will come here. So we have 9 9s are 81. So 81 minus 81, the answer is 0. Now let us take the next sum. It is sum number 7, 1002 divided by 3. Now let us write 1002 divided by 3. Here also the first digit of dividend is less than the divisor, so we need to take 2. Now we have 3 3s are 9. So 10 minus 9, we have 1. Again this 0 will come here, so again we'll take 3 3s are 9. So 10 minus 9, the answer is 1. So here the 2 will come here. So 3 4s are 12. Now 12 minus 12, the answer is 0. So let us write the quotient, and the quotient is 334. Now our next sum is sum number 8, 3012 divided by 4. So here 3012 is the dividend and 4 is the divisor, and the first digit of the dividend is less than the divisor, so we'll take 2. Now 4 sevens are 28 and 4 eights are is 32, so we will take 4 sevens are 28. Now here 10 minus 8, 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. So here this 1 will come here. Now we know that 4 5s are 20 is nearest to 21. So 21 minus 20, it's 1. So this 2 will come here. Now 4 3s are 12. So 12 minus 12, the answer is 0. Now here quotient is equals to 753. Now let us move on to the next sum. It is 1935 divided by 9. So let us write the sum. 1935 is the dividend and 9 is the divisor. Now 9 2s are 18 is nearest to 19 because 1 was less than 9, so we'll take 2. Now 9 minus 8, 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. This 3 will come here. Again we'll take 9 1s are 9 because 9 2s are 18 is greater. So 13 minus 9 is 4. Now this 5 will come here. Whenever we'll subtract and get the answer, the next number from the dividend will come and be here next to the remainder. Now 9 5s are 45. 45 minus 45, the remainder is 0. Now here the quotient is 215. Now let us do sum number 10. Now 2947 divided by 7. Here the first digit is less than the divisor, so we'll take 2. So 7 4s are 28 is nearest to 29. 9 minus 8 1, 2 minus 2 0. Now this 4 will come here and we know 7 2s are 14. 14 minus 14 0. Now this 7 will come here. So 7 1s are 7. Here 7 minus 7 is again 0. So the quotient in this case will be 421. So dear students, this is how you can divide when the first digit of dividend is less than the divisor. So this will be the rule which you have to follow. So you need to take up 2 digits and then you will go through the table of the number that will be given in the divisor, and you will step by step do the division. So I hope you would have understood all the sums which we have done today. It is just for practice. Now you will go through all these sums and then you will practice them and do in your notebook. Thank you. It's caught in the crossfire.